Hey everybody, what's up and welcome back to today's video guys. And today guys, I'm going to go and be showing you how to fix orphan pages in your WordPress website. This is a very simple thing to do, so make sure that you watch this quick and easy video till the very end and follow my steps correctly so you can make sure this works the same for you and you can do this yourself. But yeah guys, let's get straight into it. So the first thing you want to do guys, go ahead and get started with opening up the official WordPress website right here at wordpress.com, and if you have not already, go ahead and log into your account in the upper right corner. So after logging into your account and opening up your website right here, is going to open up this home page right here where the left side screen you can find all the sections you can access such as home, statistics, upgrades, and so on. And now guys, we can get started. So basically guys, if you have any orphan pages that are not linked anywhere on your website and people cannot access them if they don't have the direct URL, then this is what we can do to fix that. Basically what we're looking for guys is to go into the pages section right here. You can either go into the pages section right here to take a look at all the pages right here that you have, and then you can find the orphan pages. So let's say this is a page that it's not linked to from anywhere and nobody can access it. So this is what we can do. You can either go ahead and put this page into your draft so that the page doesn't exist, you can delete it, or you can go ahead and get started with linking to it. So what we're going to do is open up the page anywhere. Let's say we want to open up the home page. We can even go ahead into appearance and open up editor mode. This is going to enable us to open up this editor mode where we can go ahead and open up any of the pages we have. It's all the same process, and as you can see guys, now in the left side screen you're going to have the navigation option. So by opening up the navigation option guys, you can see that this is now your navigation menu where you can go and take a look at all the pages that you have. So here my home page, my thank you page I have been talking about, and so on. So basically guys, what you can do is edit the navigation. So what you can do is go ahead and input your pages into the navigation right here if you have not already. By clicking the navigation menu, you can go and take a look at editing this menu, and this is going to enable you to edit any page you have. So you can click the plus button right here. That's going to enable you to add the links or pages you want to, and then everybody will be able to access them directly from your website, and that's how you can fix orphan pages. So I hope this video was helpful. If it was, make sure to leave a like, subscribe to the channel. So you guys, thank you for watching, take care, and bye.